All right, so it's all about mushrooms today. We have our portobello mushrooms stuffed with sweet sausage and some smoked mozzarella. And now we're gonna do some grilled chicken with a shiitake mushroom vinaigrette. So the first thing we're gonna do is get our chicken breasts on the grill. Just rub them with a little bit of canola oil and then some salt and pepper. And we're gonna cook them with the skin on. Whenever you're cooking chicken with the skin on, you wanna cook it slowly, which is, I think, the opposite of the way a lot of people think to cook chicken. They think, oh, I want to make the skin crispy, I'm gonna put it on a hot part of the grill. You're just gonna burn the skin, you're gonna have flabby skin that's not crispy, and that's not good. Slow part of the grill, sort of around the edges. Salt and pepper. You can see our mozzarella is starting to melt there. And then we're gonna take our shiitake mushrooms. A little canola oil. We're gonna grill our shiitake mushrooms for our shiitake mushroom vinaigrette. Make sure you take the stems off these as well. All right, now I'm gonna take our stuffed portobello mushrooms off the grill because these are ready. Take a look at that. All right, we're gonna cover the grill now. We're gonna let our chicken and our shiitake mushrooms cook. We'll let our portobello mushrooms rest. We got some chicken breasts on the grill. All we did with the chicken is put a little salt and pepper and some oil. We let the skin get nice and crispy, slowly. Turned it over, put the grill top back on and let it cook through. So that took about, I would say about 15 minutes. All right, and our chicken breast nice and thick too, so hopefully they're gonna be good and juicy. So we have our chicken breasts, and then we have our shiitake mushrooms here that we grilled as well. We're gonna make a shiitake mushroom vinaigrette. Let's go do it. All right, shiitake mushrooms that we grilled. When I say a vinaigrette, it's not gonna be like a smooth dressing. It's basically gonna be, you know, big pieces of the shiitake mushrooms. A little bit of balsamic vinegar. And balsamic vinegar is gonna be a little acidic, but it's also gonna be kind of sweet. And then we're gonna take some olive oil, some salt and pepper, and just a touch of Dijon mustard. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna use whole grain mustard. Okay, I'm just gonna mix it together. It's not gonna be one of those vinaigrettes that are emulsified. It's actually gonna be, the oil and vinegar is gonna be a little bit separate, but I think it's gonna look really pretty on the plate. I'm gonna take some fresh parsley, and I'm just gonna tear the parsley. Just gonna tear the parsley leaves, throw it into the vinaigrette. Now we can plate it. Put the vinaigrette down on the plate. Looks luscious. And we can cut up our chicken. And I'm gonna leave the chicken in fairly large pieces. See how crispy the chicken is? Crispy on the outside and nice and juicy on the inside. Just cooked through. And maybe a little parsley in the middle. And there it is, very simple. Shiitake mushroom and balsamic vinaigrette with a crispy chicken breast.